everyone. Hold on one second. I'm a mess. All right. Hey, everyone. My name is Heather Hale. Stacy has asked me to go on here to demo Browsense. Y'all, I'm not going to wait for anyone to jump on. I have to be at my daughter's school in like 15 minutes. I got to leave. So, and then I have to go to work after that. So, I'm going to try to make this quick. And of course, y'all can watch this on replay. Hello. Yes, if anyone's on with me, give me some love. And if you're watching a replay, you can put replay in the comments. And I hope this helps y'all out. And hi, Jessica. So Browsense. Browsense is something, it is my #1 I cannot live without. I did this eyebrow already because, like I said, I've got to be super quick with this. And so I'm going to go on here and I'm going to show y'all how to use Browsense. I know a lot of people have, it's kind of difficult. It is. I never used a liquid brow until I got this stuff. But it's amazing. It's not coming off. It's there. Y'all know this. But some people are intimidated by it because it is liquid and people say they have a hard time. They don't like the brush. I love everything about it. This is natural. It looks so natural. Okay. So you're going to take it. You're going to take your little wand. And you're going to brush your eyebrows out. And I'm just going to do this one because I've already done the other one. And this stuff lasts me for about like 3 days as long as I don't do this and brush it out or scrub my face. So you see, I really don't. I got my eyebrows microbladed. I just got it one application though. So I still have to do I have to get the other one. Me and the girl who's doing it, our schedules are insane. So we got to try to get that. So then hopefully I won't have to do too much eyebrows. But these are my brows. This is why Browsense is life to me. It is my most important. Okay, so what you're gonna do, you wanna shake it, just like you do the lip sense. There's no ball in it or anything, so you can't hear anything, but you still wanna shake it. Hey ladies that are on. I hope this helps y'all and this gets over some of y'all's fear of the Browsense because I love it so much. #1 product for me. Love, 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 love. All right, so obviously y'all know it's a little wand like this, kind of like the liquid liner. It's super simple if you just take it slow and you may, like you're like, okay, I need more product, like I did, and I would take this thing off, what time is that? Okay, and I would take this off to get more. You don't need more. A little bit goes a long way, and it, like I said, looks super natural. So you're gonna take it, and you're gonna draw hair-like strokes, okay? And I think the key to this is going through and wiping it, you know, right after. All right, so I have my mirror. Let's move my mirror a little bit. So I can see. Okay. So I start right there and I do streaks and then I brush up. Okay, and then I take it and I brush over. Okay, you see how that was just so easy. Sometimes I just think when you're intimidated, you might make it harder than it is. Which I was intimidated at first and I was like, I can't do this. But I'm obsessed, in love. And then I take it and I'm gonna do the one line, a full line all the way down. And I am shaking. My hand is like, oh, you can see, it's super shaky. I had 3 cups of coffee this morning. Nothing was working for me. And then I brush it out and I just brush it in the arch. A very light hand when I'm brushing. Can you guys see? It's already that much better. And I take the top and I go, you can see how your hairs kind of go like that. So you want to go in the motion of your hairs. This is made to look super natural. And so you want to make hair like strokes. But you want to brush it out because if you don't, it'll get clumpy. And then brush, brush, brush. You guys see? Just like with anything, practice makes perfect. So, practice, practice, practice. But if you are one like me, obviously y'all saw, if you have brow issues like me, y'all, you need this. It's amazing. And I feel like it's helping my eyebrows grow. I don't know if it's supposed to do that, but it feels like it is. I'm not even kidding you. Because I have little hairs growing out that like, I just never had before. So it's really weird. But hey, I'll take it, whatever. All right. And we're almost done. And I am using the light. I did use top, however you say it. And my hair was darker though. So I've switched to the light for summertime, lighten it up. Sometimes I go in with Garnet Shadow Sense or something if I want them super dark. Like yesterday, I had them really dark. So that's really cool. I can make them whenever, you know, dark, light, whatever. But these are just perfect. I love my Browsense. And I'm sorry, I'm super quick, y'all. But I do have a lot to do. Right? And there you go. There are my beautiful, beautiful brows that are not going to come off. They're going to be here for like days. Like they're going to be here tomorrow and the next day. And one of my favorite things about this stuff, let's see, I have a couple more minutes. All right, so you saw, like, I know that you're supposed to do your eyebrows, you know, starting here. I like them to come a little further in. I don't know, that's just how I like it, just a little bit. And so when you draw it on with this, like, it looks real. Like, there's pieces of hair. So that's really cool. I don't know. I don't have to sell y'all on this stuff. I'm just trying to show y'all how to use it, but it just makes me so excited that I get to have brows that do not go anywhere. I don't want to do this one yet in case it's not all dry. But it's beautiful. And that is how you use our Browsense. And this is my #1 cannot live without product. I love it. So I cannot wait for the rest of y'all, whoever said you're gonna do it, and Stacey asked to see what's y'all's favorite product that you can't live without and how you use it. I cannot wait. But I am gonna get off of here. And thank you, Stacey, for asking me to do this. Love Browsense, love my brows, gotta have them. Stuff's changed my life, not even kidding. This summer, y'all, I get to go swimming or sweat laying out, and I don't have to worry about my eyebrows. Like, I swear, like, I want to cry thinking about it. I know it may be stupid to y'all that don't understand that they just have beautiful eyebrows, but, like, constantly, can you imagine not having brows or, like, having, like, weird-looking ones like me? And you go swimming or you're laying out and you're constantly, like, to your husband or your boyfriend and like, hey, babe, how my eyebrows look? Is one still there? Like, are they still there? I don't got to do that anymore. I'm so excited. But, okay, that's it. And I got to get going. And, I love you all, and I hope you all have a great day, and I helped you out a little bit. And if anyone has any questions or anything about the Browsense, about how applying it, easier ways or something, just message me on here, and I'll come back and I'll answer any questions. Thank you guys. Bye.